All right, just a little bit of breaking news that I want to share with you. Let me get this proper. Okay, I just got off the phone with not only one contact of mine. The camera is okay. Yeah, not only one contact of mine, a few of them. I just finished the call just now. Okay, the breaking news bit is I'm pretty sure you're aware of the fact that Ramadan is going to come on April 12th, that is a Monday. So Ramadan will start there, and it will end on May 12th, that's a Wednesday. Okay, now for those of you who are not aware what is Ramadan, Ramadan is the Muslim I wouldn't say festival, but the Muslim part of the Islamic ritual where they fast as repentance, you know, they start fasting. Now the problem here is because they get up at around 4 o'clock or whenever they have to say their first prayer, and that is before the prayer they eat food, and after that they pray, and then the fasting starts. So the fasting involves no drinking and no eating. Okay, that is until the sunset, and that's where the fast breaks. Now we are talking of literally 12 to 14 hours, sometimes 9 hours of them not eating food, not drinking water. So because of this, the entire UAE market comes to a, or Middle East market, it comes to a standstill. Okay, nobody is buying anything. Sales drop very badly. Even the recruitment process slows down to a snail's pace. The reason being is the number of working hours are reduced, and especially where Emiratis and locals are concerned, or in some cases Muslims, they give them lesser number of working hours. It's primarily for the citizens, okay, the Arabs, citizens or Arabs, they work lesser number of hours. So before, if they were working 8 hours, now they'll be working 6, or in some cases even 4. However, in government run companies, they might give them a leniency from 8 hours, say 6 hours or whatever. Okay, now what I want to tell you is that you need to start working aggressively towards getting a job before Ramadan. If you have to apply for jobs, or if you have to get job offers, get it before Ramadan, or get the final interviews completed before Ramadan, because during Ramadan it's going to be for a total standstill, and most probably they are going to tell you that the hiring process is slowed down, and we will do it after Ramadan. So the dates that I gave you is April 12th to May 12th. So I would suggest that you start moving aggressively towards finalizing the jobs. There are plenty of jobs right now. April to May, it's going to come to a standstill. And in order to help you guys, what I've decided is I'll give you the same offer that I gave in December, a special pricing that is depending on profile to profile. So if any one of you is interested in opting for my service, get in touch with me immediately, because then after, when Ramadan starts, everything is going to be dead. Okay, so if you are interested, get in touch with me now until, that is, I'll keep it until April, that is April 12th. So you're roughly 1 month, okay, roughly a month to get in touch with me to avail this special offer. Okay, if you're interested, that is, if you're interested, any of my services, whether it's resume rebranding, personal branding, or interview coaching, or whatever, get in touch with me, because once Ramadan comes, I'm pretty sure everything is going to be dead. And then you know, I know how Ramadan is. I'll tell you that. I know how Ramadan is. People are grumpy, grouchy, tired, And you know, especially during the afternoon, 1 o'clock till I think 3 o'clock, when people are going back home, there is bumper to bumper traffic. So you're going to be totally stuck. And the only time there'll be no traffic is when they are actually breaking their fast. So my sincere advice to you is the fact that take advantage of the opportunity. They are hiring right now, and it's going to go on until April 12th, after which it's going to be dead for 1 month to 40 days. You can definitely say that 30 days to 40 days, because after Ramadan comes Eid. Okay, that is the Muslim equivalent to Easter. So Ramadan, they are not going to hire anyone because lesser number of hours you're going to work, so it makes no sense employing anyone. And after that is Eid, which is holiday, so once again they're not going to employ anyone. So you better make sure that you grab the job opportunities that are from now until the time Ramadan starts. After Ramadan, or what you can do is, if you want to take advantage of the offer, confirm now, and during Ramadan when everything is dead and sleeping, maybe you can work on it relaxingly. It's up to you. So either decide you want to start applying for jobs before Ramadan or after Ramadan. And remember, after Ramadan, that is Eid. Eid is the time period whereby they'll be celebrating and enjoying. So for retail outlets, there'll be good sales. So they may employ people, or they might give them, you know, overtime because they have to work more number of hours, because that's the only time you're going to make money. You're not going to make money otherwise. And yeah, for those of you who are planning sale, want to buy stuff, buy during Ramadan, because prices will be nobody's buying. Don't buy during Eid. The prices will shoot up again. And last but not the least, following, like I was speaking to this guy, no? They make plans like 2-3 months in advance. After 1 month of fasting, then comes Eid. Following that, they'll start moving aggressively towards Expo 2020. They'll speed up the process, and now it seems Expo 2020, the focal point is more towards virtual interactions, because you know, you can't force people to travel, especially if there's a lockdown, and they want to get this Expo 2020 done and dusted with. So there will be a lot of vacancies for people who can provide services. Okay, especially when you're doing, even if you're doing virtual events, they want people to interact and engage. And I think I have a feeling, this is not confirmed, that a lot of social media influencers, a lot of social media enthusiasts, a lot of people who are active on social media, and yes, if you are an expert related to SEO or digital marketing or content driven stuff, your services will be needed. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to showcase your talent. And if any one of you has unique talents, which can be anything, which can bring spotlight, it can be as simple as dancing, it can be whether you know, tricks with the football, or even if you are let's say a good looking model or whatever, there will be plenty of vacancies for people like you, especially with talent. So get your stuff ready. Expo 2020 is going to happen no matter what. They don't want to drag this for another year. So yeah, virtual as well, physical, I don't know, still talks are going on how they can confirm and make this happen. So this is the breaking news that I wanted to share with you. The simple thing that Ramadan is coming, April to May, and hiring would be frozen that time. So if you have to apply for jobs, apply now. Start applying now. Plenty of jobs are there. And for those of you who are really interested in my service, I'm giving you a special offer. It is at a discounted price for now until April. For those of you who are interested, get in touch with me, because every case is different. And you know, for those of you interested to work, when the market is dead and sleeping also, you can confirm it right now and take advantage. So it's up to you. If you have any further information with regards to vacancies, let me know. I'm informing the people who are in my network about the vacancies, and the only reason I'm not mentioning the vacancies publicly is too many people are sending their CVs. Too many. It's becoming a little crazy because of the number of job vacancies. So having said that, keep me updated. This was one of those breaking news that I had to share with you. Jobs, there are jobs. Go grab them. Don't waste time and let everyone prosper, make money. Okay? Guys, take care. This is me signing off. Ciao.